We're welcoming you back for our second annual Institute Day Wellness Fair. This is our after break festivity where we bring you back and we try to get you ready to deal with your students. We've bought bigger, better things this year, and we hope you are really excited about it. Don't you, Jessica?
I do. We actually doubled the classes of all of our offerings from last year just to make sure we could accommodate everyone.
Hi, my name is Janelle Coxbay. I am the owner and operator of Alilia's Juice Bar. Primary reason why we created this and we curated these juices to support all your major organs in the body.
I did the popping plates. I thought it was a great time. There were a lot of people in there. They taught us some cool things about how to make our food last over a week, changing our seasonings, how to do vegetables, how to do our rice, and how to live a healthier lifestyle.
We are Spa in Your Space. We are a spa and wellness company. Today we are doing a few activations. We have our salt scrub bar, so you make your own customized salt scrub. We have our fragrance bar, where we take you through the process of creating your own fragrance.
It really goes a long way, especially in today's workplace, to show that you care about your team, to have a day to just reset and relax and get ready for the rest of the year.
I really enjoyed Wellness Day. The keynote speaker, Dr. A, was awesome, and I also enjoyed spending time with my colleagues.
Hi, my name is Mary Elizabeth Mucci, and I'm the owner of Mucci World. I'm very excited to be here. I'm really honored. Mucci World is actually about bringing back quality time, art, fun, and wellness for all ages.
I love the fact that we had this wellness fair for our staff. As I said before, our staff being prepared, being healthy, being ready, it helps our students and it helps the overall preparedness of our staff